How to fix laptop, PC shutting down randomly or turn off by itself unexpectedly in Windows 10, 11, 8, 7. So if you want to fix the laptop and PC shutting down randomly or turn off by itself unexpectedly, then what you need to do is just follow the steps. First, go with the search and search for Advanced System Settings. Here you will have the Advanced System Settings. Click on that option and here you will get this kind of interface where you need to go with Startup and Recovery. Click on Settings and then you will get this kind of interface where you need to click on Automatically Restart and then OK. And once you click on OK, you need to restart your device, and once you restart it, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix, then again go with the search and search with Control Panel and open up your Control Panel. Once you open, you need to go with Hardware and Sound option. Under that, you might have the power option, so you just need to simply go with the power option, and under power you need to go with choose what the power buttons do. Click on that option and then here you need to go with change settings, and here you need to turn off the option which is turn on fast setup or startup. You just need to simply toggle it off and then tap on save changes and your problem will be fixed. Or if that doesn't fix, then again go with the search and go with Control Panel. Open up your Control Panel and again go with the power options. Under power options, you need to go with the option of change plan settings. Click on change plan settings and you will get this kind of interface where again go with the change advanced power settings and it will take you to the next window, which is here you need to go with turn off hard disk after, and under that you will have the minutes, right? So you just need to simply enter 180 under this, and then on the next you need to again go with 180, and once you've done that, now scroll down and then go with the PCI Express and go with link state, and here you will have these two options. So make sure to turn off these two options, and once you turn that off, now you need to go with the processor power management. Under processor power management, go with the first option which is minimum processor state, and under that you need to go with 0, and again on the bottom which is plugged in you need to go with 0 again. And once you've done that, now you need to go with apply and then click on OK. And once you've done this, you need to restart your device again, and once you've restarted, your problem will be fixed. Or if that again doesn't fix, then you need to go with the command prompt, right click on it, go with run as administrator, click on yes, and here you need to type power cfg hyphen h space off and hit the enter. Once you hit the enter, you need to again go and restart your device, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So these were the fixes on how the PC randomly shutting down in Windows 11, 10, 8, 7 can be fixed. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.